Jail or the emergency room, those are the only two options, really, that Orange County officials have when someone calls 911 in a mental health crisis.
CBS 17's Haley Fixler is live from Wake Brook in Raleigh. And Haley, they want to model kind of a similar facility like that one?
Yeah, so back here is the diversion center, and I'm told about half of the people who come here are brought in by law enforcement or EMS as an alternative place for them to get help. It's a place that Orange County officials say they need to.
Most of the time, a police officer is not the right answer for those calls. But what we know is we are the ones that get the call at 3 in the morning.
And there are quite a few calls. Orange County officials tell me they get about 400 911 calls a month that could be referred to a crisis diversion center if they had one.
And to have a location and a resource where we know someone can get some support is vitally important in our community.
Chapel Hill Police Chief Chris Blue says he sees the trickle-down effect.
We've had some recent incidents in Chapel Hill with a few folks who are in desperate need of support, sometimes having negative encounters with folks simply because they need help and we don't always have a place to take them.
He's one of the local leaders pushing forward a potential crisis diversion center.
So a facility like this that will allow us to take the jail off the table, except in cases where it's really necessary, and take pressure off our emergency rooms.
Staff at the center would also get people the help they need for a long-term solution to a growing mental health problem in the community.
What would make this service unique is that there's detailed discharge planning, so someone, as they leave the facility, has a very straightforward and clear way to access services.
When someone is experiencing crisis, getting them support and stabilization as quickly as you can is to everyone's advantage.
Officials have been working on this idea since 2019, but now they are really trying to get the ball rolling. They are looking at architect and service provider proposals so they can find a site for this facility and find some funding and help people soon. Live in Raleigh, Haley Fixler, CBS 17 News.
All right, Haley, thank you.